Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork lard. First, select high-quality pork fat such as leaf fat or fatback for the best results. Next, cut the fat into small, uniform pieces, about 1-inch cubes. This helps it render evenly. Finally, rinse the fat thoroughly under cold water and pat it completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for preventing splattering. Now, let's render the fat. Place your prepared pork fat into a heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven. Cook it over very low heat. Patience is key here. Stir the fat occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom and to ensure even rendering. You'll know it's done when all the liquid fat has been released and the solid pieces are golden brown and crispy. Once rendered, it's time to strain. Carefully pour the hot liquid lard through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a heat-proof bowl. This removes any impurities. You can discard the remaining crispy cracklings or save them for a delicious snack. Finally, pour the clear, strained lard into clean, sterilized glass jars, leaving a little headspace. Proper storage ensures your lard lasts. You can store rendered lard in a cool, dark pantry for several months. For extended freshness, refrigerate it, where it will keep well for up to 1 year or even longer. Lard is excellent for frying, baking, and making flaky pie crusts. It adds incredible flavor to many dishes. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.